I'm deconstructing American Buttercream from an ingredient function perspective. American Buttercream in its most basic state is sugar and fat. 10X is white, cheap, and has a neutral sweetness. Cornstarch is added to finely milled sucrose to prevent clumping. High ratio icing shortening is a key ingredient, and it includes powerful emulsifiers that enables it to hold on to a lot of moisture and sugar and disperse it really evenly. Butter and cream cheese. Both taste good and are more expensive than icing shortening. Liquid ingredients thin American Buttercream and they dissolve sugar crystals. You choose based on cost and taste. Salt's important because it balances out sweet. Dairy and meringue powders are responsible for improving texture, taste, and shelf stability. Corn and glucose syrups soften for better flow. They also add shine and stretch. Glycerin helps soften. Think rolled fondant. That's what keeps it soft. Vanilla is the gold standard for taste. They can affect color and viscosity. The greatest and best purpose of clear vanilla is that it's colorless. Chocolate's a natural addition. It's popular, expensive, and tastes great. Citrus oils, extracts, and alcohols offer a lot of flavor flexibility. Maple comes in liquid and powder options. Honey does also. Coffee powders and extracts add flavor and color. Food colors come in liquid, gel, paste, and powder applications, but gel is best for American Buttercream. Customize your recipes for what you're going to be doing. You are not a recipe follower. Learn how things work, and then you can be in control of your buttercream and you can put your name on it instead of somebody else's.